Hello everyone. So in today's video I am going to explain you the data wrangling process in data analysis. So this data wrangling is the process of transforming raw data into organized, clean and usable data for data analysis. This process consists of six steps. First is data discovery, then data structuring, data cleaning, data enriching, data validating and data publishing. So, in data discovery stage, you understand the data sources of your data, structure of your data, and quality of your data. Then comes the second step, structuring, where you organize your data in usable format. Third is data cleaning. So here comes the important part where you are handling the duplicate rows, then missing values, empty rows, inconsistencies or outliers present in the data set. All this comes in the cleaning part. The fourth step of data wrangling is data enriching. Here you are enriching your data, so here you are adding value to your data. For example, there are some pre-existing columns like unit cost and sales are there. So with the help of that you can create a profit column. If there is like in one column only different values are present, then you can split those columns. So like that enriching steps you can do here in this step. Then comes data validation or verifying stage. So till now you have done data structuring, cleaning, enriching. So after doing that, is your data still accurate and consistent? Because that is really important for analysis. So here you are checking the data accuracy and consistency. And at the end is like publishing is the last step, where you are making the prepared data set ready for analysis and reporting. So main thing I want to tell here is, like in interviews they usually ask tell about data analysis, what process do you follow in data analysis. So you are just explaining the removal of duplication, then missing values, outliers, all these things you are explaining. But these are just data cleaning things, okay? So whenever data cleaning related question is asked or data wrangling related question is asked, you have to explain whole data wrangling process, so it will give like strong impact. So hope you understand what is data wrangling and the difference between data wrangling and data cleaning. So thanks for watching the video.